Number 7. The graph shows the time it took a worker to package 16 bottles of shampoo. So the title of the graph, Packaging Shampoo Bottles. So this graph is showing how long it took a worker to package 16 bottles. So as time goes on, the worker is packaging more and more bottles of shampoo. So after 40 minutes, he packaged 16 bottles of shampoo. Okay, so we have to make sure we understand the graph first, so that's what we're doing. The next day, 2 workers, so before it was just 1 worker, 2 workers packaged twice the number of bottles of shampoo in the same amount of time. If this new relationship is graphed on the same coordinate plane or coordinate grid, which statement is true? Okay, so we know that they are going to work twice as fast because we have 2 workers now. So let's see. If it took 40 minutes for 1 guy to do 16 bottles of shampoo, but now they're working twice as fast, it should take 2 guys 20 minutes to make 16 bottles of shampoo. So this is one of those problems where you have to draw the second graph on the example. So I'm going to sketch a graph. And in my graph, because there's 2 guys now, they're working faster. So they don't need 40 minutes to do 16 bottles of shampoo. They only need 20 minutes to do 16 bottles of shampoo because they're faster. So here's my new line. So I'm comparing my old line to my new line. Which statement is true? It says the new graph would have a y-intercept at 80. That is not even on this graph. Both of these graphs have a y-intercept of 0 because when they started the work, they had 0 packaged. So that one doesn't even make sense. Let's cross that out. B. The new graph would be steeper than the original graph. So now I'm talking about slope. When we talk about steepness, steepness always refers to slope. So if it's steeper, that means it's going to go up faster. So in my graph, yeah, it definitely looks like my graph is steeper because it's going up faster than this graph. Let's hold off on B and check out the others. C, the new graph would be less steep. That's not true. If it was less steep, then this new graph would be somewhere down here, but it's not. And the last one says the new graph would have a y-intercept at 8. That's definitely not true. Both of these start at 0 because when they first started working, they had 0 bottles of shampoo packaged. So the answer choice that's correct is B. The new graph would be steeper than the original graph.